guys, so this is going to be an update video because the next video is going to be pretty long. It's the lift kit on my truck, the front this time, and you guys know I've been having tons of problems. Well, anyway, I got the driver's side done yesterday. 5 hours it took me, and then today I'm out there for 3, and on my way doing it. The axle breaks because of the angle it's at. It was a cheap eBay China one, whatever. The guy before me put it on the truck, I guess as a way to sell it. He was a piece of shit. We're just going to leave it at that. He owns a shop. I will tell you guys to shop if you wonder. But yeah, he put cheap parts in it. So I'm just going to go lay out what I broke so far doing the front. And I didn't even break. I didn't touch them. I didn't even touch these parts. So far, the stabilizer bar was hanging loose because the guy didn't tighten it when he put it in when I bought the truck. So the passenger side was just connected at top, flapping around. That's why it was sway like this on the parkway. Now I know why. And then the other side, the fucking thing, instead of being straight like this, sticking through the sway bar, I guess, yeah. Instead of being like that, so I could just unscrew the nut, it was like this. So I screwed it until there, and that was it. So I had to cut that off. So that's just 2 stabilizer bars. Alright, let's see. Next, I'm tightening down the stud on the lift kit, right? On the passenger side. Got a ratchet, right? Crank, 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 snap. Snapped right the motherfucker off that bitch. I am pissed. So instead of buying a new kit front for that, I'm not taking it off. I am gonna fucking weld that bitch on there, and I'm just gonna drill it out next time I do the struts. Do not give a fuck. I got about another 100K in them struts, so I really don't care. That'll probably be the last time I put struts on the bitch, so it'll stay like that. The axle, I'm gonna rig the boot up until I get a new one, right? And, yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm not too worried about that. Worst case, I pull the axle out. I have 3-wheel drive until I get the, new axle. But I'm ordering that, not this week, next week. What I'm ordering this week is the welder. Probably I'm going to get that. And this is one else I'm getting. So, oh, shit, my bad. So, what's it called? Upper control arm, I put it on, I flipped them both sides like I told you guys already. Put it on, ball joint connected to the steering knuckle. Where's the ball joint? Right here. The stud. My hand's the ball joint. Hammered in. I hammered for like probably 30 minutes. It would not get the rest. About that much, right? That much. So I was like, alright, fuck it, that's enough. I'm just going to tighten that bitch down. I don't care, because I try to hammer it down, it wouldn't even come down. Start hammering the bolts in like this, right? And it got stuck a little bit. I'm really tapping, not too hard. I'm gonna try tightening it now with the ratchet. Tighten it. It felt like the same pressure I did on the other side, because I had to unscrew it to get it out and tighten it to put it back in before I put the bolt on. So I did that, and I'm like, alright, this is getting a little too hard now. Before I strip these threads, I'm gonna pull it out. I did that. The threads were barely stripped. I could not get the bolt back on, so now I have to go to GM to buy that. So 4 parts for the front end, right? I'm about solid fucking 24 hours, easy. 2 weeks. I started at June 8th. It's what, June 22nd today. 20 hours easy into the front end alone from rusted bolts, old parts or cheap parts. Put in that had to be cut off. I didn't have tools. Had to wait for tools. Got the tools. Did it, and then broke something else. Had to wait for more parts to come in the mail, etc. Right? So that's where I'm at right now with that. So I'm probably put 30, the axle's going to be about 50, it's going to be $210, $400 just for the parts that broke in the front end, because I put good parts in, expensive parts in. That's not counting the 2 upper ball joints where the boot's ripped, and I'm going to need that. So, yeah, that's $400 for that. Between the 2 struts, they're about $130, that's what, $260, $660. $660 for that, and then the lift kit, let's see, fucking $100. Now about $90, I think, for the half. So yeah, $90. So see, 660. That's like, yeah, that's fucking $700. fucking $50 for the front lift kit. That's not counting the $350 for the front tires or these two wheel spacers. Forgot about. So $750 is $1,100, and then $1,200 for the front end with the tires and the wheel spacers, which we're gonna get into now. Sorry about that rant. This is also going to be an update, and I'm also going to show you guys what I got. I already showed you guys these in the unboxing, but I have to do another update, unfortunately, for on the truck, so I figured I'd show you that. Got these. These are going to go on the frame of the roof racks on the sides, because I'm getting a light bar for the front and 2 block lights for the back. I want 360 radial view for when I'm in the woods, in case there's deer running, animal running. I have to sit, I break down, and I'm stranded, and who knows what the fuck's out there. I need to be able to see, because I'm not illegally allowed to keep that motherfucking thing on me, you heard me? So, I'm going to have to do that. These are going to give me clearance. I can fit 33s, but I'm only going to do 32s, because I don't want to rub and crud on it. So I got these. These are also hub-centric. I made sure of that. I just tested it on my car. Then I got this in one section of frame left. I got to do. I'll probably do that one. Wait for parts tomorrow. Then I got the inside bezels are black on these headlights, and they got tint, so smoked out, right? And I was pricing new, just clear, normal headlights, because I was looking for LEDs. I didn't like none I found, so I'm not spending $400 on a light. I sort of like this not happening. I'll wait until I find something I like. But I got these for now, right? These, it was about $175, $160, whatever, for a pair of OEM headlights with Trailblazer, because the other ones are cracked, yellow, whatever, and I already cleaned them and shit and polished them. They just turn yellow way too quick, because I think I'm starting to go way too much clear coat. So I got these. They want $175 for just 2 OEMs. I got this cheap, probably like $5 box of lights from China. These 2 headlights, smoke tint, and the guy took them apart, painted them for $99. That is fucking amazing. Free shipping, $5 tax, $105 compared to it would have been $200 shipping for the other ones. Amazing. I'm glad I got these. Then these, I didn't get these on Amazon. I learned my lesson from the lift kit. That was also because that was the only place I could find a 3-inch lift kit was eBay for my truck, so that's why I had to go there. I got the most expensive one I could find that looked quality. Got these. These are motherfucking heavy. Heavy. I'm glad though, because these are for off-road use, which is why I needed hub-centric. They said they were, and I was looking at them from the back. They did not look it, and I saw this inner ring in here, and I was like, oh, they do. So I'm glad I got these off Amazon from an actual guy who makes these, paints these, does them himself. That was awesome. So, yeah, I'm real stoked on these. I just got to get this shit lifted. It's been 100 degrees out every day, so I'm always dead after like 2 hours. Yeah, these are fucking solid compared to, I've gotten them on eBay before, saying they were so bad I didn't even put them on my fucking car. My Lexus ES300, I got hundreds of videos on that from like 2016, 2017. If you want to check it out, ES300, I ran it. I ran from, let's see, Pigs and Bacon in Mexico once. That was fun. And I ran it against the Kia Optima too. Check that out. I got tons of videos from cars from the last easy 6 years. Yeah, this is where I'm at right now. These are parts I got right now. Also got some parts in the garage. Can't touch. I'm not going to go grab them, because this was an update video showing you the parts I got, the parts I'm going to put in. There will be another video on these, hopefully within the next few days. Keep an eye out for that motherfucker right there. Let me see if I can show you guys these better. Put this right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold up right quick. Boom. Boom. Peel it back a little for y'all though. Look. This shit right here is $90. Like, this is fucking amazing. The light is just destroying it right now. I wish there was better lighting, but there ain't. That's what it'll be looking like, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to comment and subscribe. Put in a lot of work on these motherfuckers, and a lot of mental stress and physical fucking abuse, literally, on this bitch. So, yeah. Be sure to subscribe. I got tons more videos coming. I am building this for an overland road trip I am doing soon. probably from New York, Washington, Cali, all through Cali, Florida, Georgia, back into the motor country, maybe like Kansas, and then back home to New Jersey. Northeast would be another day. I'm starting at Lake George with my brothers. We're gonna rent a cabin, have a fucking good time. But yeah, I'm building this truck for that. I'm gonna build a wooden bed, removable. I can remove after I get back, taking the rear seats out. A little bench I could put stuff on, like a laptop, whatever. Yeah, and then tons of storage and shit. I don't know if I'm gonna get the bumper before that, but I put like $5 in parts into this truck, so I know it's gonna be reliable. A lot of major components were replaced already. But yeah, this is why I'm doing all this shit right here. Rust everything, the fucking suspension, the headlights, getting HIDs soon. I might actually buy that now. I didn't even think of that. HIDs for the woods, the light bar, these lights, everything. Everything was built for that road trip. I got this truck 2 years ago in 2018. My license is still suspended from them. I want to get into that. That'll be another video if you guys want to hear about it. Comment down below. Yeah, I bought this truck 2018 for this. Wasn't going to do overland road trip with it, but I wanted to do a road trip in it, and obviously my road trip's not going to be all overland. Maybe hit a trail here and there, and that's it. But I'm building this bitch for overland, any conditions, whatever, yeah. But hope you guys enjoy. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe. Follow me on IG. Be pinned down below in the comments. Peace.